Good morning, class. Welcome back to Haitian-creole. This is lesson 7, Haitian Creole 101. Now, I know lesson 7, you start getting used to the sounds. That's what we've been doing, and we're going to continue with that. This is very important. We're going to continue practicing the basic sounds that you will find in Haitian Creole. Once you master this, I'm telling you, the rest is going to be a joke. I think we have 5 consonants left to practice the sounds with, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to get into it right now. If you're looking at your screen, getting used to pronouncing Creole sounds. We're going to continue with that. And the first consonant we have is R. R. So that's the consonant we have right here. R. That's the sound it makes. R. And then these are all the vowels that you have. Now, R, A, Ra. Ra, ra, and you have ra, ra, rai, ra, ra, rai, r, a, ra, r, e, re, re chaud, that's it right here, re fait, that's it right here, r, I, ri, ri, rivière, rive, those are Creole words of class, of course, r, O, ro, r, o, ro. Now, some of them you see I circle. The reason I don't want to forget that, let me say it now. The reason why I circle those, most likely, those sounds, o, on, u, you will not see them much after the letter R. So, r, o, ro, r, e, re. For example, res, res, r, o, ro. Like I told you, the circled one, most likely you will not see a lot of words with them. O, on, u. You will not see a lot of o, on, u after the letter r. Not much of it. Now, the next one is r, ran, rance. Ran, rance, rein, 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 on, rond, ou, ro, on, rond, ou, ro. That was, now after you have a, will give us sa, sal, for example. A will give us se, séance. I, si, toi, rien, citoyen. O, soleil, c'est, sel, o, so, sol, un, sang, un, sang, sens, un, saint, 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 on, son, son. That's a name. Like, we have a lot of people called son. Son. Now that's son. If I want it to be son, I need to add that at the end. Son. Ou, Sou. Sous. Sa, se, si, so, se, so, san, sen, son, su. Very important. Now, our next one is t. T. What do we have? T. A. Give us ta. T. A, ta. Tash. You see it here. T. A, ta, tash. T. A, te. Te. Le. Fon. Te. T. A, te. Ti. 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 Ton. Ton. Ti. T. E. Ti. T. O. To. 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 La. To. La. Li. To. You're gonna find two to in this one. To. La. Li. To. To. T. E. Te. Te. O. To. To. Tosh. Tosh. T. Ton. 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 T. Ten. 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 T. On. Ton. 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 T. Ou. Tu. Tu. Ta. Le. T. Ou. Tu. Tu. Ta. Le. And our next one is v. 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 Va. Vache. V. E. V. Venin. V. I. Vi. Victoire. V. O. Veau. Vaurien. That's not a very nice word. Vaurien. V. E. Ve. Vete. V. O. Vo. Voila. That's not a nice one either. Vin. Vanter. Vin. Now, as we're counting, I know you know that already. Vin. Alright, we've been counting, and we could do vende. Vont. Vont. You have it twice. Vont. Vous. Another not very nice word. Vous-en. Right? You keep practicing. Va, ve, vi, vo, ve, vo, vent, vin, vont, vous. Now, the last one is z. Z. So now we covered technically all the basic sounds. All the basic sounds, those sounds that are the foundation of the Haitian-creole language. Z, a, za, zafé, z, e, zé, zéclair, z, i, z, zizi. That's not really a word, but we call people that. ZZ. ZZ. Z, o, zo, z, z, e, ze, zeb, z, o, zo, bo, zo, z, zan, zan, poud, z, z, en, zin, ziyez, z, on, zon, zon, yon, zonyon, z, ou, zou, zou, za, zé, zi, zo, zé, zo, zan, zin, zon, zoo. I'm going to dictate you something. You're going to write down what you hear. Now I'm testing you. Remember, after this class, I want you to be able to write, to read, and then your listening should be good too. Because that's what we see, the basic sounds, okay? So now, based on those sounds, I'm going to have a dictation for it. Don't worry too much about getting it right. What's important, it's you practicing your listening, okay? Don't worry too much about getting it right. So get ready, get a piece of paper, get a pen, or a pencil, whatever is easier for you. And I will say the word slowly and try to write that down. You try to write down what you hear. Like I said, no worries at all. Okay, you ready? I'm guessing you are. Here we go. Fa, mi, f, m, i. Fa, mi. Fa, mi. Fa, mi. Fa, mi. Second. Pa, ran. Pa, ran. A, r, an. Pa, ran. Next. Ma, ma. Ma, ma. M, an. M, an. Ma, ma. Pa, pa. Pa, pa. That's easy. I'm not gonna break this down. I know it's easy for you. P, cheat. P, cheat. P, e, t. P, cheat. Ma, tante. Ma, tante. Ma, tante. M, a, t, t. Ma, tante. Gun. Gun. G, r, n. Gun. Grand moon. Grand moon. c'est, c'est. Cousin, 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 cousine, 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 belle-mère, 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 beau-père, 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 beau-frère, 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 belle-sœur, 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 belle-sœur. Now I'm gonna say the word as if I was speaking normal Creole, not breaking it down, right? And then check everything you wrote down, your dictation. Famille, parents, maman, papa, petite, tonton, ma tante, grand, grand monde, frère, sœur, cousin, cousine, belle-mère, beau-père, beau-frère, belle-sœur. That was it. Now let's see if you get it right. Let's correct this right now. So we won't have to come back to it. See if you get it right. The first one was famille. Famille. Second one, parents. Maman. Papa. Petite. Tonton. Ma tante. And we're gonna have those moving forward almost every lesson. Gun. I want to make sure you can listen. Your listening is good. Gamoon. Frère. That's frère. Frère. Frère, c'est. Cousin. Cousine. Belle-mère. Beau-père. Beau-frère, belle-sœur. Beau-frère, belle-sœur. Now your homework is go find out what that means. Like I said, you can Google them. You can Google them and find out what they mean. Oh, that is it. That was a little dictation. I hope you got it right. If not, don't worry. There will be more to come. You'll get the next ones right. We'll move right to the next slide.